Mellow Slides. An orange. I don't know what color they call it. Just orange, I guess. I am excited for these. Size down, I got 11 in these. I had ordered a pair of 12s over the summer when they were on sale in this like blue color, this lilac blue color. I wasn't real keen on it. And they were massive. So when I saw they had new colorways, I opted for the orange. I really like the mellows. I'm gonna do a vid on them. I've got the Mellow Clogs in Elephant. These were like the second Crocs I ever owned, and I love these. These are fantastic. But they're sweaty because there's really not much ventilation in it aside from this little side cut. So these might resolve that ventilation issue. But with it being November now, these are a little out of season. So having the extra insulation isn't a bad thing right now in November, but when it gets warm again, these are going to be nice. So I will do a video on these at some point in time, other than just the unboxing video. So stay tuned for that. Not bad. I wanted to show you the sizing differences between the Mellow Clog and the Mellow Slide. So as you can see, this is a 12 and this is an 11 in the Slide. And when I put them toe to toe, heel to heel, if I can get the angle right here. They are one size apart. So if you're going to do the slides, make sure you go down a size. And if you're going to do the clogs, then you're okay with true to size. That would be my suggestion. You can still go down a size on the clogs. I tried on the 11s in the store after I had already gotten the 12s, and they fit all right. They're a little snug. I like having the little extra space with the 12s because it's not a lot of space. It's maybe a quarter inch, half inch. But with it being open-toed, well, even set aside the open-toe, closed-toe, just the length, overall length is identical from the 11 slide to the 12 clog. So just make sure you go down if you're going to do the slides. Just thought I would share that with you guys. These are fantastic. I'm a big fan of the Mellow line. They're super squishy. I wanted to show these Mellows on feet too, so you can see the 11s. And the slides. 11s are fine if you were 11 and a half. Just go down a size. If you were half size, that would be my advice. You might even be able to get away with going down a full size if you are on full sizes, because you can see I still have some room in the half size. It might be a little snug going down a full size, but these just run big for some reason compared to the clogs. So you're safe going down, in my opinion. I like this orange. And I know they've got the Luxe. I don't see this as being too loose. I like a little play there. It's not too loose, the upper strap, but I mean you could do the Luxe if you wanted them really tight, but they don't really have good color offerings, I don't think, with the Luxe. So if you want more color variety, you could just do the standard slide, but if you want that Velcro, you could do the Luxe. Maybe if they do another sale on the Luxe. I don't know, I think these are fine as is. I think I'd really end up needing the Velcro strap. Probably won't do the Luxe unless they come out with some different colorways. So that's that. These are pretty decent. I don't know if they would shrink too with the summer once it gets warm again. If this EVA will shrink down a little bit, but I don't think it really needs to. These are pretty comfy. I like these. I just walked around the apartment in them a little bit with the socks on, and they do slide a little bit on the foot. Just to show. I don't know if they would do the same barefoot. I can try that out. I don't really want to show my ugly feet though. But they do grip a little better barefoot versus socks. So I can see why they came out with the Luxe. I don't think it's necessary though. I think they're okay, just barefoot. So they'd be a decent summer slide.